Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. With Tesla's continuing success, I can't help but to expect more dangerous driving and crashes involving Tesla's EVs. My reason to think this is because of the recent road incidents in this video involving Model Ys. The Model Y is the latest popular EV here in Hong Kong. At this roundabout you can see 3 new white Model Ys, all presumably being driven by inexperienced drivers. These inexperienced drivers have deep pockets because they can afford these new Model Ys and poor road skills. Just because drivers have passed their driving test using ICE cars, this does not mean they are necessarily competent in driving EVs. The new owner of the blue Model Y drove out of a one-way street in the wrong direction. Who knows what the new owner of the black Model Y was doing? This Model Y did not know how to use autopilot in the tunnel. These new Tesla owners appear to be incompetent drivers, as well as incompetent drivers of EVs. Do we need a new driving test for new owners of EVs? Should Tesla offer driver improvement courses for new owners? I say yes. What do you think? Please leave your comments below. Thanks for watching and stay safe.